Your state-of-the-art infotainment system has changed a lot since the days of a simple radio. It is a complete center for today's newest entertainment and communication sources. Keep in mind that there are more in-depth videos in our product library to help you with many of these features.
Basic buttons.
The infotainment system in your GMC Terrain can be controlled in several ways. Using the knobs and other buttons on the center stack, through the steering wheel controls, voice recognition, and through the touchscreen. The control panel on the infotainment system is thoughtfully laid out so you can easily access the main functions of the system. As you might expect, a press of this button turns the system on and off. Turning it adjusts the volume up and down. These buttons can be used to select stored radio stations. The Menu Select button can be turned to highlight a feature. Press it to activate the highlighted feature. When you press the Fave button, the system will display the current favorites page on the screen above the preset buttons. Keep pressing it to scroll through the favorites pages. You press the Source button to switch between audio sources, including the radio, CD, and other sources like Bluetooth. Press this button to go to the home page. The Back button takes you to the previous screen in a menu. The Info button toggles through an audio or navigation information screen. Pressing the Config button allows you to adjust features for languages, time and date, radio settings, phone settings, display settings, and vehicle settings. Press this button or the Tone Settings button on the home page to adjust bass, mid-range, treble, EQ, fade, and balance. Different tone settings can be set for each source. Press this button to enter the phone main menu. Press and hold it to mute or unmute. Press these buttons to seek the next or previous track on a CD, USB, or Bluetooth audio source. Press and hold to fast forward or rewind through a track. When you release the button, you'll return to normal playing speed. If you're listening to the radio, these same buttons will seek to the next or previous strong station. You use this button to eject a disc from the CD player.
Navigation.
These buttons are used to control the navigation system of your terrain. Press the Nav button when you want to view the vehicle's current position on the map screen. Continue pressing it to cycle through the full map and split screens. Press the RPT button to repeat the last voice guidance prompt you used. You press the Dest button to enter a destination. If a destination has already been entered, you press it to access the destination menu.
Steering wheel.
Depending on your vehicle's options, it may also have infotainment controls located on the right side of the steering wheel. Press here to activate voice recognition or a Bluetooth device. Press here to decline an incoming call, to end a current call, or to cancel voice recognition. It also toggles the vehicle speakers on and off while using the infotainment system. use the thumb wheel to select the next or previous radio station favorite, or track on a CD, MP3, USB, or Bluetooth audio device. A volume control is also located on the steering wheel.
Voice recognition.
Your Terrain's infotainment features can also be controlled with voice recognition. To activate voice recognition, press the Voice Recognition button on the steering wheel controls. Then speak.
Play FM.
Touchscreen.
The touchscreen homepage allows you to access many of the infotainment system's features. These buttons along the top allow you to navigate through the menus. Pressing the back button returns you to the previous page. Pressing home returns you to the home page. And the Fave button displays a page of stored radio station favorites. Keep pressing the button to scroll through the favorite pages. The next and previous buttons allow you to navigate between the 4 home page menu screens. You can customize the first home page to suit your specific needs, either by adding or moving screen buttons. Press the Menu button. Then press Customize. You can add or remove a button from the first home page by selecting it from the list. The little check mark tells you it will be displayed on that page. You can have a maximum of 8 buttons on the first home page. When you're happy with your selections, press Done. You can also rearrange the buttons on the screen by swapping their positions. To do this, just press Menu, then select Sort. Press an icon you want to switch with another icon. Next, select the icon to swap with. When you're satisfied, press Done. If you want to restore the home page defaults, press Menu. Then press Restore Home Page Defaults. The system will prompt you to confirm your choice. Press Yes to accept the default home page, or Cancel to keep your customized version. That's the basics of using your infotainment system in your vehicle. There's a lot you can do with the controls on your center stack. Take some time to learn what they do, and the world will be at your fingertips.